Hello, welcome to this video. The purpose of this video is to share how to set up the Python programming environment by using Visual Studio Code on your laptop. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the Windows environment, but if you do have Mac environment, it will be quite similar to make the settings. Okay, so first go to the code.visualstudio.com/download, and you will see these downloads, right? So there's for the Windows 10, 11 download, and there's for the Mac systems, or as well as for the Linux. Okay, so I've already downloaded the Windows version and save it in my desktop, on my desktop. So I'm going to just double click the setup. Since I cannot change my Windows language, so you'll see the Chinese version of it. But if you got the English version or French version, it's totally the same. Just always click the next step and don't have to modify anything if you don't want to. But I want to create a shortcut on my desktop, so I just going to check this box and click next and just click install. Okay, so let's wait for a while. So we will see the installation is in progress. So it will install the application on my Windows. And later on, we are going to use this Visual Studio Code tool to add on the Python extensions so that we can use that for Python programming. All right, so we got it. I will ask it to remain running the Visual Studio Code. Okay, just click finish. So it will run immediately. You can also see that there is the new shortcut icon created on the desktop. So we got that, and that's in the dark mode, right? So we're going to click the extensions. I think that's the icon, and search the extensions in the marketplace. So I'm going to search Python, and there will be a lot listed. So actually, that's the first one we're gonna select. All right, so we can take a look at the details. So it says Python, right? So Python extension for Visual Studio Code, and those different informations there. So we can always take a look, but it's easier that I know it is the correct one. I'm just going to click install, and it's installing. Okay, we just have to wait for a while to let it finish. Okay, still installing. It will take for a while. Okay. And I think I'm just going to pause the. Okay, so it's installed. So now you have the Python extension installed on your Visual Studio Code. The next step is for us to install the Python. If you don't have Python on your laptop installed already, okay, so go to the Microsoft Store, which I've already got this opened, and search for Python, or yeah, we can just first type for Python, which you'll find there's Python, different versions of Pythons, right? So we get the 3.3.11. Okay. So, and we click get. All right. So take a while, start downloading. So it will take a while for the app to start downloading and install Pythons. So now we've got the Python 3.11 installed on our computer. So let's get back to Visual Studio Code. Okay. So how can we test that if it's already installed, right? So the easiest way is go to here, View, Terminals. All right. So you got the terminals and you just type Python version. Okay. So voila, here's the Python 3.11.5 installed. So now Python is successfully installed on your laptop. Okay, you can always select a new file to create your first Python, or open a file to run your existing Python file. Okay, or just open a folder. So that's everything for the initial environment setup. Thank you so much for watching this.